How are you?
Open your eyes. Mama's made it.
You made it, Mama?
Yeah,
Thank you, my love. Wow.
Ito na kami guys sa sinihan. Nood kami na. Hello friends! Welcome back to our channel. At kung bago ka pa dito, please do consider subscribing and please like our videos. Tinarap natin habang wala pa siya guys. Kasi hindi niya alam. Tinago ko to in order ko online. Sa mismong shop kung saan yung gusto niya. Yung gusto niyang mga collection. So, irarap natin to. Samahan niyo ako, guys. So, ayan na, guys. Yung regalo natin kay Mister. Itatago ko to sa closet. Kasi hindi niya alam, guys. May paregalo tayo for his birthday. Did you get my love?
I got a present
Present?
from one of my coworkers.
Yeah, for what? For your
Oh,
coming
it's gonna
birthday?
be my birthday in a couple of days.
Okay. Do you wanna open
Let's
it?
see. Got some seeds candy. Look at that.
Nice.
Yeah, with a little pop sunshine popsicle.
Okay. That's
And then I got a card with it too. It says Corey.
yeah, nice.
Yeah, let's open it up.
That's from who?
It's from Patricia.
That's good.
It says, hope
Oh,
you're
how
up
cute.
to your whiskers and fun.
That's
That's
so
cute.
cute. I love it.
It says, Dear Corey, happy birthday. Enjoy your special day. Best wishes, Patricia Romano.
She's cute.
Thank you. And then I got another.
Is Patricia the one with Trini, right?
Yeah, the one
That
that was.
cute girl?
Yeah.
Like the pretty lady?
Hmm.
Oh, that's cute.
That's
She's so
Joseph's
cute.
cousin.
She's so cute.
And then I got another one. It's gift cards from Ruth. One of my coworkers named Ruth.
Miss Roti.
Yeah, Miss Ruthie. Thank you.
Okay. How many gift cards?
Two because it's from City Hall.
Oh,
So I got 2 gift cards.
a restaurant. Huh?
And then I got a cake.
Let me see. It's she put a rubber band.
Yeah, let me get the rubber band off.
Two gift cards
Two
from
gift
Old
cards.
City Hall
Yeah.
restaurant.
And then I got a cake from
Cake.
Trini.
Chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake from one of my
So you guys ate all of it?
yeah,
You sliced it?
yeah.
That's
We
good.
showed it.
That's good.
Yeah.
How nice.
Yeah. I like my coworkers.
That's
So
good.
nice.
Yay.
Okay.
Just get home from work.
Yeah.
Please
Come here,
close
Mama.
your eyes.
Mama, where are you?
Open your eyes. What is that?
Like this.
Oh my God.
What is that?
What happened?
know.
I
Is
don't
it
know.
Mars?
Mama's made
What is it,
that.
Mama? Did he make me something, Mars?
Yeah, it's Dada's birthday, Mars.
Oh, thank you, Mars.
It's Dada, Mars.
Thank you, Mars.
Happy
Kitty.
birthday, my love.
Thank you, love. Mars, why did you get me something?
Happy birthday.
Thank you, love.
Oh, there's a hair. Mama's made it.
You made it, Mars?
Yeah, Mama's
Thank you, my
wrapped that for
love.
Dada.
Wow. You happy with kitty stuff?
You kiss Dada?
Kiss that.
Kiss Dad.
Kiss that,
It's
Mama.
Dada's birthday. Are you gonna open it? Or
Yeah,
tomorrow?
I'll open it today.
Because tomorrow we don't have time.
How old am I gonna be, Mars?
Old part.
Yeah, then we is this? Wow.
You like it?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Ooh, I know you like Stone Cold.
Yeah, I like Stone Cold. You always
And you
talk-
don't have a Stone Cold shirt yet.
I did have a Stone Cold short.
No, you only have Undertaker and all the time.
Yeah. I remember this. I remember
Like
the
it?
t-shirt too. Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah. I remember the t-shirt.
Look at this birthday boy. Today is Happy's birthday.
Yeah. I'm officially 47 at 2:15 p.m.
Don't tell me that. So it's not your birthday yet because it's
No.
only 11.
Yeah, because I'm not born yet.
So we're heading to get gas and then we're gonna get some food and we're gonna do a little picnic.
Yeah.
So samahan nyo kami guys. Pagas muna kami dito sa Chevron. Si Mr. yung birthday boy natin. Papagas siya guys. Ito tayo naghihintay lang. OOTD natin. So we got a full gas. How much the gallon left per gallon?
That was like 4 something.
Okay.
It's on the receipt now.
Oh yeah. Oh, look at that one. Strawberry. Got his
Yeah.
cakeys.
A little cake.
For the
French.
birthday guy. Yay! This is Happy Simple Celebration.
Yeah.
Yeah, happy birthday,
Thank
my
you.
love.
I don't. Yeah.
It's okay. Look.
Yeah, well, it's one of the simple
Yeah.
thing for me.
And Happy's cake. Okay. Happy birthday.
Thank you, love.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, love.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear hubby. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, love.
Yeah. Out from the just get out from TJ Maxx.
JJ Maxx.
Let's go guys. So kakalabas lang namin kakalabas lang namin guys ng TJ Maxx and pupunta na kami ng sinihan. Manood kami ng Jurassic World Rebirth. Yes. Ang grabe, sobrang init guys. Summer na kasi, di ba? Tara, manood tayo ng sine. Cinelux coming up. Ito na kami guys sa sinihan. Manood kami ng Jurassic World. Maybe Bianca want to watch this one. This one, right?
It's the time for new beginnings. This is the new era of the
Strong body.
vortex of exploration.
Ano boss?
Energetic jungle.
Those are ours. Holy shit.
The power of approach, not only ourselves, but our future. And
17
that's
minutes
something that actually
before.
gives me incredible hope for the future of work.
Bumili kami ng drinks.
I got
$5 each. Grabe ang mahal. Is popcorn.
Reese's Pieces.
Chicken Reese's Pieces.
Yeah.
Pa guys, nag-i-start.
Two 2,000 years later.
Hi guys! So we just got home. Nanood kami ng Jurassic World Rebirth. So, nag-shopping din kami kanina sa TJ Maxx bago kami nanood ng sine. Tapos maghuhulang tayo ng mabilisan. Kunti lang naman ito guys. Ito, nakabili kami ng ganito. Ayan, ang ganda. Nasa $12 yun. Ang cute niya. Ayan, maganda siya sa coffee table dyan. Lagay natin sa gitna. And then next is bumili kami ng ayan, grooming wipes para sa kitties namin. Nasa $4.50. Ayan. And then lint roller. Ayan. Tatlong 1 pack siya pero tatlong piraso. And then si Mr. may nagustuhan doon. Ayan. TJ Maxx. Ang ganda. Nasa 68 yung original price niya. Pero we just got it for only $20. $19.99. Polo. Pang summer. And then bumili rin siya ng shorts na nasa $17. Ayan. Harley yung brand niya. And then next is ito guys, yung egg bean. Ayan. Yung ilang eggs ba to? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 eggs. Ayan. Okay. Diba? Maganda. Kasi may lid siya guys. Ayan, ito oh. So, meron naman kaming egg bean, pero ano lang siya, maliit lang siya, tapos wala siyang lid. Ayan, maganda ito, may lid. Tapos pwede yung palagyan ng, pwede ka pa maglagay ng mga, kung ano dito sa, ano niya, sa taas nito. Kasi pag walang lid, diba, hindi mo malagyan. So, yan siya. And then, bumili rin ako ng ito. Nagandahan ako nito. Nasa, magkano nga ito? $27 siya. Ayan, ipakita ko sa inyo guys. Necklace to siya. Diba? I-try natin. So, ito yung necklace, guys, na binili ko. Nasa, ano yan siya, $27. Ang ganda, no? Diba? So, ito lang lahat yung haul natin. Yung binayaran ko doon, ito, $27 plus yung resibo nito ng haul natin is $69.25 with tax. Diba? So, yun lang.